Hi everyone. What I would like to tell you today is how you could use different kind of filters in your digital boardroom. So the cross-topic filter basically gives you the chance or the end user the chance to select a dimension and then jump to another topic using this selected dimension as a filter. Let me just quickly demonstrate how it works and then we look on the setup, what you need to do as a digital boardroom designer to set this up. Okay, let's get started and let's view our digital boardroom. So what we do have here is we do have two charts which we use as our navigational charts. So what I want to do is currently in my first topic and I would like to filter on, let's say, chooses. And please be aware, the first chart does not even have any filters applied. The second chart has been filtered on location, specifically on California. That's why you see different numbers here, just for your background, because I would like to compare the different functionalities of this feature. And so now I would like to take chooses as my selected dimension member, and I would like to navigate using this filter. Therefore, I do have this little icon here, jump to the selected page and filter on the dimension, which I'm clicking. And then I get on the page of the second topic. So I'm really in a different topic. That's why it's called cross-topic filter. And what I've done now is that the chart here, which had initially no filters on, you now see has been filtered on chooses. Otherwise, there would be a lot of all the other beverages being listed. On the chart down here, there has been initially a filter on California again. So this has been reflected for the chart. It's still there, filtered on California, and has also been filtered on chooses here as well. So now I would like to go back. So what I could do now is I could jump back by, I've set a flag here to go back to our navigation widget. What I can also do is I've included a little shape icon here, which has a jump to point being defined behind it. And if I click here, then I get back to my topic 1 page where we started at. So if I'm now filtering on a chart that has already a filter on, and I'm selecting chooses again, you will directly see that this filtering, this pre-selected filtering on California is not taken into account. What the cross-topic filter does is it takes into account what you have clicked on, and especially I've clicked on chooses here. So again, stuff is filtered on chooses and nothing has changed. So let's jump back again, back to navigation widgets. So just for your reference, how the topic looks like if I've not filtered, I see all my locations and I see for sure all the products because I have not filtered any of them. Now let's go out of the presentation mode back into the designer mode again. So as you can see, I have my topic 1 here and I have the subtopic 1.1 here. And this has been basically our starting point, and from there I jumped here. And I could also have gone to a second page and the filter would have been applied there as well. So it's really a cross filtering mechanism being applied to all the pages in this topic. So how did I set that up? Basically, what you need to do is selecting widget you want to filter on, and then go to the navigation tool here up in the menu, and then you have the opportunity or the chance to add a new jump point on the tile base. So let me just quickly show you what happens if I click the plus. So basically I see the page now and I do see all the tiles on this page. And basically, we do have two tiles here. We do have two different charts, and I could select one now. And once I've done this, I can then give it a name. So that's basically the name you will see as a consumer of the Digital Boardroom once you click on that chart. And I can say now I would like to jump from that chart that has been selected to another topic, which is here our subtopic 1.1. And there I can say I would like to jump to a specific page, for instance. And besides that, now with the cross-topic filter, there is now this little icon here where you can say apply the selected dimension to a filter, and you select it, and once you selected it, you can use the cross-topic filter in the way I've just shown you. And this is basically, I've done this for one chart, and I've done this also for the second chart to show the different options on the filtering level. One note as well on the little icon that brings me always back to where I've started. So basically this icon, you were able to see it on the second page. And what I've done is if I open the context menu, so if I do some right clicking or a long tab, then my wheel, my context menu opens, and I've defined there a jump to point to my navigation widget, which is basically the first page of my digital boardroom. And I also had this little back icon shape widget, which I also said should be, if someone clicks on it, then it should trigger the navigation jump back to my first topic.